Once upon a time, in a picturesque landscape nestled amidst rolling green hills, there existed an extraordinary off-grid farm that embodied the principle of sustainable living, self-sufficiency, and permaculture. This remarkable farm, with its harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity, was a testament to the transformative power of adopting an environmentally conscious lifestyle. At the heart of this farm was Alex, an adventurous and passionate soul who embarked on a profound journey to create a sanctuary of sustainability and resilience. Alex's vision was fueled by a deep love and respect for the earth, inspiring a transformative relationship with the land and its resources. As the story unfolded, we witnessed the farm's evolution, mirroring the ever-changing seasons and the dance of life that unfolded within its boundaries. Guided by the wisdom of permaculture, Alex keenly observed the natural rhythms of the land, allowing it to inform every decision and action taken on the farm. Intricate patterns emerge as fruit trees stretch their branches towards the sky, their beautiful harvest promising nourishment and sustenance. Vibrant vegetables bursting with colors and flavors thrived alongside fragrant herbs that offered an aromatic symphony to the senses. The farm had become a vibrant tapestry of interconnected life, where each plant and creature played a crucial role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Every morning, as the golden rays of the sun gently painted the landscape, Alex awaked to the enchanting symphony of nature. Birds greeted the day with joyous melodies, and the rustling leaves whispered secrets of ancient wisdom. In this serene setting, Alex found solace and a profound sense of connection with the land, realizing that the farm was not merely a place of residence, but a sacred space that embodied the unity of all living beings. Resourcefulness became the cornerstone of life on the farm. Nothing was wasted, and every item held purpose and potential. Organic kitchen scraps transformed into nutrient-rich compost, rejuvenating the soil and nourishing the growing plants. Rainwater was carefully collected, stored, and celebrated as a lifeline during dry spells, a precious gift from the heavens. Every drop of water was cherished, every resource maximized, for the farm embraced the wisdom of a cyclical regenerative existence. Renewable energy became the lifeblood of the farm, as solar panels glistened under the radiant sun, silently converting its energy into electricity. The farm stood as a shining example of the transformative power of harnessing nature's gifts to meet one's energy needs, forging a path towards a future untethered from fossil fuels, living in harmony with the earth, man's embracing its abundance and leaving a smaller ecological footprint. As the years unfolded, the farm became a beacon of inspiration and hope for all who encountered its beauty and purpose. Visitors from far and wide marveled at the ingenuity and dedication that permeated every aspect of the farm. Alex's arms were always open, ready to share stories of sustainable living, permaculture techniques, and the profound joys of self-sufficiency. Workshops and gatherings were held on the farm, creating a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who found solace and inspiration in this oasis of sustainability. Every harvest celebrated the interconnectedness of all life. Each meal was a feast for all the senses, a testament to the farm's dedication to sustainable food production. The flavors of seasonal produce danced on the plate, nourishing not only the body but also the soul. Every bite was a reminder of the extraordinary journey from seed to plate, a journey rooted in resilience, patience, and a deep understanding of the farm's interwoven tapestry of life. Through their unwavering dedication and the stories they shared, Alex inspired countless others to embrace the path of self-sufficiency and tread lightly on the earth. The farm's impact rippled outward, creating a movement that transformed lives and communities. People began to reconnect with the land, to cultivate their own gardens, and to embrace the wonders of sustainable living.
Krasavec, ja, jako